Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be quickly showing you where the LBD port is on a VW Polo Mk4. If you come to the driver's side, if you come to the footwell just here, just there, if you look under there you'll see the LBD port just there. On some other cases they can actually be here or there as well. If it's helped you out at all, please consider giving it a thumbs up, liking, subscribing and ringing the notification bell, so when I upload new videos it'll actually let you know as I've uploaded one. Do appreciate all the new subscribers who subscribe to the channel as well. I do appreciate that. Please like and comment as well, as it does all help. I am actually going to be leaving it there now and stop waffling on, and until next time I'll catch you in another one.